Sydney Commercial Kitchens, for a rapid response to your inquiry and professional advice from our trained chefs.
Introducing the ultimate line of handheld mixers in the food service industry, the Dynamic Pro range. The Dynamic line of Pro mixers offers the ultimate power for heavy-duty mixing in large quantities. The Pro line offers the ultimate in performance and power. Our new cooling technology and double watertight seal ensures longer life to your commercial mixer. The mixer tool on all our Pro mixers is constructed of 100% 1810 stainless steel. The Pro 600 DSC has a detachable shaft for maintenance and easy cleaning. The SMX 600E has a 21-inch stainless steel non-detachable mixer tool, allowing you to mix up to 50 gallons of product at one time. The SMX 800E and the Pro 800 DSC both have a detachable 27-inch stainless steel mixer tool that mixes up to 75 gallons of product at one time. The Pro 800 DSC also has the DynaSpeed Control technology. The DynaSpeed Control is an RPM regulator that keeps the mixer speed constant regardless of product texture. Safety is a priority at Dynamic, not only in the manageability of your mixer, but also in the prevention of accidents. This is why we feature a full line of support brackets to assist for your mixing needs. Adjustable to all types of mixers and containers, the bracket allows adjustable height, length, and angle. First, adjust the bracket to the correct width of the stock pot, kettle, or container. Insert the mixer into the holding bracket. Set the desired angle and position, and you're ready for safe and easy mixing. The support brackets are used for safety and convenience, as well as assisting with the operation of the mixer, and are available in lengths up to 47 inches. The PP97 Ricer is an electric non-detachable food mill that is made for ricing potatoes or pureeing cooked vegetables. The 20-inch stainless steel shaft allows you to rice up to 50 pounds of potatoes at one time. The screen is made of stainless steel and is dismantled for easy cleaning. The mixer tool attachment can be easily disassembled for cleaning or maintenance. Just unscrew at the center of the mixer tool and rinse the bladed half in the sink. Make sure to keep the top part of the mixer tool, which is attached to the motor block, away from any water. Non-detachable mixers can be either turned on with the mixer tool submersed in a bucket of clean water, or similarly, rinsed in a sink. Once again, Dynamic International has shown to the food service industry that we are the innovators of handheld mixers with a complete line that meets all of your mixing needs. With accessories like our mounting support brackets, we continue to set the standard in the industry.
To find out more about this product, call Sydney Commercial Kitchens on 1300 88 1119 and speak to our trained sales specialists, or click the info link above to see more information. Thanks for watching.